Atlanta ground, Delta 2095 Heavy ready to taxi.
Atlanta Tower, Delta 889er on final 8 left.
Continue taxi. Delta 2095 Heavy.
Runway 8 left, cleared to land. Delta 889er.
Atlanta departure on 121.225, Delta 388. Roger. Good day.
Atlanta departure on 121.225, Delta 1573, Roger. Good day.
Continue taxi. Southwest 1542. Atlanta ground, Southwest 1542 ready to taxi.
Atlanta ground, Delta 1935 with information Romeo, requesting push and start. Continue taxi. Delta 2095 Heavy.
Ground, runway 9 left, pushback approved. JetBlue 1979er.
Ground, runway 8 right, pushback approved. Delta 1935.
Atlanta Tower, Endeavour 2358 on final 10.
Runway 9er left, line up and wait behind next landing aircraft. Frontier Flight 1851.
Atlanta ground, Delta 659er with information Romeo, requesting push and start. Ground, runway 9er left, pushback approved. Delta 659er.
Taxi to terminal via Lima. Delta 631.
Atlanta Tower, Delta 869 on final 90 left.
Runway 10, clear to land. Endeavour 2358.
Taxi to terminal. Delta 1404.
Taxi to terminal. Frontier Flight 976.
Atlanta ground, JetBlue 1979er ready to taxi.
Atlanta ground, Delta 1935 ready to taxi.
Runway 9er left, cleared for takeoff. Frontier Flight 1851.
Runway 9er left, line up and wait. Delta 1752.
Runway 8 right, cleared for immediate takeoff. Southwest 1542.
Runway 9er left, clear to land. Delta 869er.
Continue taxi. Delta 1935.
Continue taxi. JetBlue 1979er.
Atlanta ground, Delta 659er ready to taxi. Continue taxi. Delta 659er.
Atlanta departure on 121.225. Frontier Flight 1851. Roger. Good day.
Atlanta ground, Delta 556 with information Romeo, requesting push and start. Ground, runway 8 right, pushback approved. Delta 556.
Taxi to terminal. Delta 889er.
Atlanta ground, Delta 1990 with information Romeo, requesting push and start.
Cross runway 8 left. Delta 1404.
Atlanta departure on 121.225. Southwest 1542. Roger. Good day.
Runway 9er left. Cleared for takeoff. Delta 1752.
Runway 9 left. Line up and wait behind next landing aircraft. Delta 2095 heavy. Runway 8 right. Cleared for immediate takeoff. Delta 1935.
Taxi to terminal. Endeavor 2358.
Atlanta ground. Delta 556 ready to taxi.
Cross runway 9er right. Frontier flight 9er 76.
Continue taxi. Delta 556.
Atlanta departure on 121.225. Delta 1752. Roger. Good day. Atlanta Tower, Endeavor 2403 on final 10.
Cross runway 8 right. Delta 889er. Atlanta Tower, Delta 1083 on final 9er left. Cross runway 8 right. Delta 1404.
Atlanta departure on 121.225. Delta 1935. Roger. Good day.
Taxi to terminal. Delta 869er.
Runway 10. Cleared to land. Endeavor 2403.
Runway 9 left, cleared to land. Delta 1083.
Atlanta ground. Brickyard 2221 with information Romeo, requesting push and start.
Runway 9 left. Cleared for takeoff. Delta 2095 heavy.
Runway 9er left. Line up and wait. Delta 659er.
Ground, runway 9er left. Pushback approved. Delta 1990.
Ground, runway 8 right. Pushback approved. Brickyard 2221.
Cross runway 9er left. Frontier flight 9er 76.
Runway 8 right. Cleared for immediate takeoff. Delta 556. Atlanta departure on 121.225. Delta 2095 heavy. Roger. Good day. Atlanta Tower, Delta 1573 on final 8 left.
Atlanta Tower, Delta 388 on final 9er left.
Runway 9er left. Cleared for takeoff. Delta 659er.
Runway 9 left, line up and wait behind next landing aircraft. JetBlue 1979er.
Continue taxi. Delta 1990. Atlanta ground, Delta 1990 ready to taxi.
Atlanta ground. Brickyard 2221 ready to taxi.
Enter final runway 9er right. Delta 388. Atlanta Tower, Delta 388 AT runway 9er right.
Runway 8 left, cleared to land. Delta 1573. Atlanta Tower, Delta 792 on final 10.
Atlanta departure on 121.225. Delta 659er. Roger. Good day.
Runway 9 right, cleared to land. Delta 388.
Runway 8 left, cleared to land. Delta 1573. Atlanta departure on 121.225. Delta 556. Roger. Good day. Atlanta ground, Delta 350 with information Romeo, requesting push and start.
Cross runway 9er right. Endeavor 2358.
Runway 10, cleared to land. Delta 792. Ground, runway 9 left, pushback approved. Delta 350.
Continue taxi. Brickyard 2221.
Atlanta Tower, Delta 870 on final 9er left.
Taxi to terminal. Endeavor 2403.
Runway 9 left, cleared for takeoff. JetBlue 1979er.
Enter final runway 9 right. Delta 870. Atlanta Tower, Delta 870 AT runway 9 right.
Atlanta Tower, Delta 793 on final 10.